I've got several questions about using chewing stick, and I'm here to answer all the questions you need or you've asked about chewing stick. So if you're still using chewing stick, gather here. I want to expose the real truth about using chewing stick. We all know that it has been long, like our ancestors started using chewing stick, right? Chewing stick is no longer popular like it used to be before. Like me, it has been so long that I used chewing stick, right? But the thing is, chewing stick actually has advantages and it also has disadvantage. So I'm going to talk about all of them in this video. Some chewing stick can take care of bad breath. Some chewing stick, when you use them, can stop bad breath. Some chewing stick can also stop gum inflammation, gum disease, right? Because some of the trees that this chewing stick are gotten from contains some antibacterial properties. You understand? So that is why. So the benefit of chewing stick depends on the sources of the chewing stick. It depends on the tree where the chewing stick is gotten from, right? For example, in my side, there's what we call onubu. You know onubu, right? Onubu has these antibacterial properties. So when you get a chewing stick from onubu, bitter leaf, from onubu tree, right? It has some benefits, but there are so many disadvantages of using chewing stick. And so don't come for me. Some people will be like, our parents are still using chewing stick. Number one, chewing stick doesn't get to all other parts of your teeth. Sometimes it's find it difficult that chewing stick don't get to the last part of your teeth. And another thing is chewing stick can injure your gums. Because some people, while brushing with chewing stick, they'll be scrubbing it so hard, injuring their gums. And when you injure your gums, it can be very uncomfortable. And conclusion, chewing stick is good, actually, but don't rely on chewing stick alone to for your oral health, for your oral hygiene practices, okay? Because chewing stick, there's no way chewing stick cannot replace the benefits of using toothbrush, right? And dental floss, okay? I mean, we should appreciate technology, right? So most of those things, it is good, they have some benefits, but right, they will need to advance. So science advancement has brought a better option, which is toothbrush and toothpaste. So let me hear your own thoughts about chewing stick at the comment section.